Labiatae. The Labiatae family produces more essential oils than any other with 5,600 species through 224 genera. This is one of the safest families of plants when it comes to treatment. However, those high in ketones should be treated with care, such as pennyroyal and sage. Oils high in phenols should be used sparingly as well, such as basil, oregano, savory, and thyme. This group's properties include antiseptic, antispasmodic, analgesic, and anti-inflammatory. They are also exceptional in balancing the respiratory and digestive tracts. Muscular aches and pains and hormonal imbalance are also helped by these oils. Essential oils from this family consist of basil, Ocimum basilicum, clary sage, Salvia scalaria, hyssop, officinalis, lavender, Lavandula angustifolia, spike lavender, Lavandula latifolia, lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, and many more.